Hey everybody, Wire here. I know it's been a while since I made a video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this rigid wrench. I showcased this about over a year ago, and it had some paint on it. And what I did is when I got my parts washer, I went to soak it in there. I put it on the bottom of it, and I forgot all about it. So it's been sitting in my parts washer for more than a year. And actually it's worse off than what it was when I got it. As you can see, it's all rusted. This is all stuck on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all this rust off there and try to get it in good working condition and see what we can do with it. Anyway, let's get to it, and let's see how it's going to turn out. Okay, this is a post wire brush. Turned out pretty nice. Had a little bit of pitting in it. So what we're going to do is put this on the maybe belt sander or rotary sander. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind what I'm going to do with. I want to do it. This works real good. Like I said, this is a rigid. I think I bought this for like $1 or something. Personally, I don't care for rigid wrenches too much, only because, I don't know, maybe that's supposed to be that way, I don't know. As long as it works on a pipe, I guess it's okay. This is my personal use wrench. I have some other wrenches that I don't use that I've restored. So we're not going to get this shiny, but we're going to get this pretty nice so it looks kind of brand new in my toolbox. Anyway, let's get the sanding this down, take some of these casting marks out, and we'll go from there. Okay everybody, we're all done here. Painted it green in here. My painting skills aren't that good, but it does look a lot better than when we started. I couldn't get all the pitting out of it, but I think these rigid wrenches are pretty much, well, cast coarse anyway. I've seen other rigid wrenches that were brand new and they have just as much pitting as this one here. But it turned out halfway decent. Like I said, this goes into my toolbox, the one that I use around the house, because there are times when I got to do some plumbing. And this is a 10-inch one. I don't have one this size. I've got a great big one. Actually, I got a 24-inch one that I was thinking about doing, but I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if I can get to that one or not. But anyway, this is it. Turned out nice. I kind of like the green. Green looks pretty good. I know their color is orange, I believe, but I was going to go with green. I kind of like green. Anyway, fellas, I'll catch you on the next one. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And I am looking for more subscribers. I'm gonna try to get some. I'm gonna try to get to more videos. I've been really busy. Both of my businesses. Well, actually, I have 3 businesses actually, and I've been working all 3 of them. And I really haven't found the time to do videos anymore. I'm hoping once the weather starts to cool down, and hopefully kids go back to school, things will settle down a little bit more so I can do a lot more videos. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. This is Wired Wire Works.